Guys, hope you're fine today. Just wanted to do a quick video to showcase you our new Soundbank that is coming out in these days, Serum Hard Techno 2023. We got like 74 preset for Serum, from acid, the bass lines, black pad, drums, also sequencers, switches, only for Hard Techno. Just not waste any more time and let's hear some of the presets. Also, we got a lot of acid sound. I wanted to let you hear also like our rumble kicks we have in it, and you can customize it basically how you like. I won't really make it your own. Also, you could layer it with other sounds, and I think it really unlocks a lot of possibilities, this Soundbank. So get now the Serum Hard Techno Soundbank, because it's on discount and you can save some bucks.